Hellcat.
Okay, that's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. He's so fast!
Dan! Yeah!
Hold on, does anyone just say that? It just glitched. What is up, guys? MamaBadger's here, and I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip I threw together. You're about to watch the full video just in a few minutes. And then we're gonna talk about the Rubik's Cube, and myself, and I are gonna try it as well. So, stay tuned. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, that's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, that's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god! He's so fast!
Dan! Yeah!
Okay. Okay, like, why did he just throw that paper at him, though? No? Hold on, did anyone just say that? It just glitched from one...
Come on, get us a five.
background. Oh my god! These kids or adults are really good at what they do. I am impressed. I'm not that great. Are you that great? Yeah. Alright. So, you see this Rubik's Cube I have? I want to see if I can even solve it, which I doubt I won't be able to, and it's not gonna... I'm not gonna be fast. I know for a fact I'm not gonna be fast. But I want to see if there's a way to figure this out, you know? So, watch and learn, guys, because I'm learning too. You know what? I'm gonna keep practicing. Until then, stay tuned, guys. Bye.